Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday, June the 11th, 2021. Yes, almost weekend. We have here in the daily newspaper two regular Sudokus, Sudoku Light we have, and a Sudoku Heavy. And I have sad news because in this daily newspaper there are no extra Sudokus. Let me show you. No extra Sudokus. Sad news. So only two tricky ones, tricky pair. So we will solve those two regular Sudokus. And what I will do, yeah, instead of the additionals of today, we have no additional. I will solve the rest of the puzzle of yesterday. Yes, yesterday, Thursday. I have, I believe, 4 puzzles left. So yeah, let me do this. I will solve first these tricky pair, Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy, and then I will later solve the rest of the puzzle of the yesterday's newspaper, the additional. All right, so let me start. And the first one is a Sudoku Light. This will be a number 2929. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, if you see, we have 9 big squares, and each big square has 4 printed digits. So 9 times 4, 36 printed digits. All right. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number shall I pick? I see here 4 ones. The 2, 1, 2, 3 twos. The 3s, 1, 2, 3 threes, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 fours, 5 fours. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fives. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4 sixes. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4 sevens. 8, 1, 2, 3, and the 9s. 1, 2, 3, 4 9s. So the 4 and the 5 I will start because those numbers are a lot in this puzzle. So yeah, let me start with the 5. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. All right. And now the 4 in this column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. All right. How about the number Let me see. Which number shall I pick? Pick. 3 sevens. How about the 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nines. 1, 2, yeah. Miscalculated, yes. Miscounted, yes. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the only two places for the 9 in the second column should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I missed one. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place for the 9 should be there, yes. And now, and all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 9. All right. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row above, so in that row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this third row, 6 in the second row, so in the first row, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. All right. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 6. All right. One number left in this big square for the number 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 5, number 8. All right. How about these two numbers in this big square? The 7 and the 2 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the number 7 and the 3, 7 and the 3, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see this number 6, number 7. All right. One number left in this column for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. In this big square, we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 1. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. One number left in the last row for the number 1. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. One number left in the third column for the number 1. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Yes! Finished! This Sudoku Light, really light. If I can do this, you can do this also. Tricky pair, the Sudoku Light, and the next Sudoku I will do is a Sudoku Heavy. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. You can, by the way, you can also download this PDF file. If you click below, you will see the PDF file. Download it, print it out, and solve it. If you can't solve it, just watch back the video on YouTube. Yes? Alright. Thank you. See you later. Bye bye for now.